My grilled chuck steaks are tender, juicy, and covered in our very own homemade compound butter. The best part is, it's budget friendly. In a bowl, combine olive oil, red wine vinegar, garlic, brown sugar, Italian seasoning, red chili flakes, salt, and pepper. Mix to combine everything together. Place your chuck steaks in a Ziploc bag and cover them in marinade, making sure to submerge each steak. Place them in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Place the steaks on an uncovered grill in the direct heat for 4 to 5 minutes per side. Grill until they reach your desired level of doneness. Smother them in compound butter and enjoy. You can find more budget-friendly steak recipes on our website.